In the cool, foggy morning and lush, dewy pastures of the UK, the IQ Abacus House waits patiently for numerous international students to migrate into her homely abode. Crafted in linoleum, white, navy blue, and teal, this handsome abode offers plush ensuite and studio apartments. The bedrooms are plush with wardrobes and decorative shelves, accompanied by paneled window walls, letting in the aloof London air into a private study table with desk drawers, reminding you that this is the same air that Shakespeare breathed into his kings and queens. The kitchen is a dream with a modular chimney atop an oven and a deck of cabinet shelves to season your English breakfast with indigenous choices. Evenings are a busy affair with students returning from the nearby Brighton Metropolitan College, the University of Brighton, both City Campus and Edward Street, and even the University of Sussex, about a mile and a half away. High on a newfound voice, they crowd over and mingle with the sleek drama students at the Screen and Film School production house to get in touch with their inner playwrights. Refreshments for a coursing life are plucked off from Taz the grocer or from Sainsbury, at a 4-minute walking distance. On Saturday mornings, the frozen yogurt and berries taste even better beneath the statue of Max Miller's statue, or that of George IV, reimagining life in simpler times. Visit the gently lit restaurant Semolina for a heady concoction of cinnamon ice cream with apple and coconut pound cake with brightly roasted pineapple. IQ Abacus House, Brighton is modernity and exclusivity tied to create a serene, safe space where young students look forward to returning home at the end of a hard day's work. Book this dollop of heaven and explore more at amberstudent.com.